It is the chart of Mr. Gupta. He has come.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Anaya Gupta, yes.
Right.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Very good evening to everybody.
Good evening. Sriram, you can start now. We have given some predictions and all.
Yes, sir. So, I'm audible, sir?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Okay. So, I felt that the Lagna itself is wrong for the two reasons. One, he has confirmed that he has almost like 4 siblings. That comes only if the Lagna is Libra, because the Jupiter being the third lord and sitting in the dual house, that gives the combination of almost like 4 because it is dualing that this thing. So that is one observation. And also, if you see the other things which I have mentioned,
Lagna
I think-
is Kanya Lagna.
that's what it has to be Libra, according to me. But again, yeah, I'm a bit wrong.
Yeah, you mentioned
So-
about it. Yeah.
That's what. And the other combinations, like as I told, like Mercury Ketu, because of that he had problems in the education. That is one. And however, Mercury being the highest degree, he's intelligent. And Rahu, Moon, Venus. This is another combination where he would have had problems with any female member in the family. It could be sister, it could be wife, mother. He has always, and also Rahu sitting in the natural second house. He may be having problems in the throat, or maybe his voice would be harsh, or people may perceive him as rude when he speaks. So that is one. And Jupiter, Moon, Saturn. Jupiter, Mars, Saturn. So this is another one, like where I think so people make feel that he's rude. Again, he'll have problem in terms of fighting with anybody. Again, he will be in a confusion state whether to fight or whether to be normal, but that will be the confusion. And Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, again, he may be into the business line where it could be related to any machinery, automobile, or that sort of this thing. And he's also carrying the legacy of maybe his father's business is continuing. Yeah, these are my observations. And I think I've told 23rd or 24th marriage, but he said he confirmed it 18th. Again, that time is also Mars Dasha is going on. Again, this is one other reason where I felt Lagna should be Libra. So that is one. And also he said he got remarried at the age of 38. Again, the 9th house concept is coming only if it is Lagna is Libra. So yeah, these are some things which I felt.
I have a small suggestion. If you start with the chart, description of the chart and then go into predictions, it will be easier for all of us.
You want to mention the planetary positions, madam?
Yeah. I mean, we should actually introduce the chart, like then when he was born and the details, and then the chart, the Rasi. And probably then if we go in, and then it will be more, the clarity will be higher, I thought.
Yeah. Somehow I'm not able to see the screen. It says started screen sharing, but it is not visible to me.
Yeah, it is not.
One second, let me see.
Okay, I'll tell the chart.
The screen is not visible.
It's a male born horoscope, 28/1965, 8:30 a.m. Balia, UP. And as per the software, what we have, it's Kanya Lagna. And 2nd and 9th Lord Shukra is there in the Lagna itself at 7 degree. Lagna is 13 degrees. and Mandi is also there in the Lagna at 5 degree. Second house got Kuja at 6 degree. And am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Third house Ketu 16 degree. Sixth house Shani, fifth and sixth lord is retro 21 degree. And ninth house Chandra Rahu, Chandra at 3 degree and Rahu 16 degrees. And the 10th house got Guru 2 degrees. This is the LD planet. And Lagnadipati in the 11th house is HD and is in retro. And Surya,
Yeah.
the 12th lord, is there in the 12th house, 3 degrees. That is the Rashi chart. This is what we are going to discuss about. And yes, sir, now you can take over. Sriram, sir.
Yeah, so yeah, that's what sir. I told like what I have found the observation. You want me to repeat that again?
Yes, you can.
Or okay, yeah. Yeah, so first thing, what I observed is the education, that is Mercury and Ketu. And however, like Mercury being in the highest degree, it is the native is highly intelligent, and also it could be spiritual inclination is also there. And Rahu, Moon, Venus having trouble with the any female siblings or maybe wife or mother, and also has harsh speech while he's speaking. And Ketu, yeah. So this is one other Ketu being this. I mean, according to the my observation, it is second, but as per the software, it is third. Even then, he has problem in communication that he may not be able to clearly articulate or maybe tell the things to the other people. So that is one. And Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, that which I've told was like he must be into business or related to the Mars Karkatos. Yeah, and yeah, so this is something which I think I have mentioned that sixth lord again after changing the Lagna, sixth lord become the Prarabdha Karma, that is Jupiter, and Jupiter being in the star lord of Mars. So he mentioned in his observation that he's not having or not be able to get money properly. Again, the second and seventh having problem to that Prarabdha Karma, so he's having problem there. And which I've told is like marriage. I could not, I didn't see that first or second, but I mentioned it as 23rd to 24. Yes, he should have got married. Yeah, so these are my observations.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Right. Born in Surya Dasha. And right now, Shani Dasha just started for him. I will continue with Kanya Lagna only because it's 13 degree according to the software. Many softwares I used. So Kanya Lagna 13 degree, Shani 5th and 6th lord, and it's in retro, and he is placed himself in the 6th house. Shani Dasha just started. Shani Dasha Bhakti going on. Because the planet is in retro, first of all, it will start with the 6th house for the first half. Then it will go to the 5th house. That's how it's going to be. And he himself mentioned multiple skills, and he's not in a position to convert it into financially successful one. Maybe Guru being the lowest degree planet in the chart, maybe could be one of the reasons. This Guru is giving its 9th drishti to Shani. Whatever he is attempting, Guru should definitely give phala. Maybe it's not giving in financial, way, but it is definitely giving in some other way. Point number one. Point number two, you mentioned about pox in the childhood and all. That is very, very clear from G. Kisa's medical astrology book. Surya 3 degree and Kuja 6 degree. Surya Kuja combination is supposed to give heat related and viral attack related problems. Also mentioned about asthma. Buddha highest degree in a water Rashi, and happens to be the Lagna Lord himself, according to our calculations. So definitely that is also indicating asthma and this thing. Master in occult science, Kuja, definitely the 8th Lord is sitting in the 2nd house of Aksthana. So definitely is giving, helping him to master this occult science. And Kuja and Shukra, they are in closer degrees. That also gives multiple skills to develop to become knowledgeable in multiple area. These are all degree system rules. So all these things are all working very well in this chart. And now since the Shani started, he needs to be careful. And Shani is sitting in the center, middle of the Rahu Ketu axis also. And Chandra and Shani are the only two planets sitting in one side of the Rahu Ketu axis, and all other planets are on the other side. So profession and mind is on one side, and all other affairs are on the other side. That's how the life will be. And now the major transit planets like Guru, Shani, and Rahu also going to come to the Mesha Rashi shortly from April onwards. So in Briganandi Nadi we call it as ideal zone. If you draw Rahu Ketu axis, and it is heavily loaded on one side now, the planetary distribution at the time of birth. So other side, the 5 MT, especially we see this for Kala Sarpa Yoga chart. Here, if you see, Rahu will come to Mesha, Guru will be in Kumbha to Meena, it will go, Shani will go Shani, except one planet. People who give timing of events based on Gochara Grahas, they will find it very difficult because the planets are, the major 4 planets are going over the ideal zone. That's better to keep low in this area and wait for the time. Right now, for a short period, Guru going over the Shani in the 6th house. A little bit, it will activate the professional area, but again, Guru will move on to the 7th house. It won't go over any other planet, except it will give its drishti to Buddha and Ketu. So when Buddha and when Guru is in the Meena Rashi, when Guru is going at 16th degree, again he needs to be careful in financial matters. This is the prediction I can give from Dasha as well as Bhukti. And today the moon is also in his own 9th house in over the moon itself, Chandra Rahu itself, and the Rahu is sitting in the 9th house. Good time if he can do some foreign trading, something connected to, even if a good astrologer means reach out to foreign clients. 9th house Rahu will definitely help him. 9th house Rahu will definitely help him. I suggest he reaches Western crowd as a teacher or an astrologer, whatever way, it will do very well. That will definitely give him the money and fame, whatever he is looking for. With this much, I conclude. Again, we can continue after discussion. Thank you.
as usual, today also I'm going to say the same points what Ganesh has said. Yes, I see this as only in Kanya Lagna because the Lagna degree is 7.18, 14 in GK software. If it is in the end, if it is in the beginning or in the end, we can take either Leo or we may doubt like that. Here it is in the center point. So I consider this as Kanya Lagna. Lagna degree is 13.14 plus debilitated Venus 7.19. That is associated with Lagna. The second thing is Mars Dasa started from 1978 October onwards. During generally for Kanya Lagna, Mars will never be helpful. This even earlier also we have discussed about this. Again, when Mars is sitting in the second house during Mars Dasa, particularly Rahu Bhukti, that is March 1980 to something like April 1981, like that. In that period, his education was stopped during Mars Dasa and Rahu Bhukti. After that, subsequently Jupiter Bhukti. In Jupiter is sitting in the 10th house. It is aspecting the natal Saturn. Saturn is in 6th house. Jupiter Saturn connection is there. Here what I see, and Jupiter Saturn Nakshatra Parivartana also. Not Jupiter is not in Saturn. Okay. Saturn is in Jupiter star. Jupiter is aspecting Saturn. In that age itself, you would have thought of earning something. That would have given any interest in earning. Even that could be also a reason for stopping the education. And another one more reason what I see, the 5th Lord. Here, the 3rd and the 8th Lord sitting in 7th house, the primary school education was disturbed. Again, 5th Lord, Saturn is in 6th house. It is away from Rahu Ketu axis, as Ganesh said. See, 5th Lord normally I see for college education, that is degree and other things. That has also disturbed. He is deprived of all Saturn related things. Saturn is away from Rahu Ketu axis. One consolation is Saturn is in retro because Rahu Ketu do not affect the retro planet. Initially, that would have given any disturbance. Later on, definitely that will give enormous benefit. That is the point we discussed even yesterday also. There is one reason. See, what I say is, these are all the reasons for stopping the education. In school level itself, it was stopped. And the second thing, what I say is, childhood chicken pox or something like that. That must be in the age of 4 to 7, I think. I really appreciate how he could remember that much, because what happened in the age of 4 to 7, he has mentioned that one thing. Second thing, asthma related problem, I see as Saturn to Karakatva. Saturn is, asthma related things, I see as Saturn to Karakatva. Saturn is away from Rahu Ketu axis, it is in the 6th house, Rogasthana, so it has given the disturbance. During the time, that is, when natal Saturn was connected with the transit Saturn, that is, when transit Saturn was in Leo, I see this period as 1977 to 79. He has to confirm it whether that is the period he was affected by asthma. 77 to 79. Hello, Mr. Gupta.
Hello. No, it was 77 to till 99.
Yeah, that's what I said. 1977 to 79.
1999.
1999. Okay.
Yeah, up to 1999. But now there is not a single scope of asthma.
Okay. Then we will come to that later. That, though it is Saturn Dasa, you are not affected. That we will come to that later. Yeah, because Saturn's one strong Karakatva is asthma. Okay. That is air planet as well as very chill planet. That will cause asthma, wheezing related problems, eosinophilia, all these things related to Saturn, I say. And the next one is mastery occult sciences. That is 11th house Mercury in retro. That is higher degree, highest degree. Mercury in highest degree, that is in retro. Since it is in, if it is not in retro, you would have got some other PG qualification. Since it is in retro, you have got some strong principles on it, and you diverted everything towards that. And it has given you a very easy course that like mastery occult science and other things. That is in the 11th house. For any PG related, any master degree like that, or any knowledge equal to that. It doesn't mean that you will have to get the certificate. Even any knowledge equal to 11th house should be accomplished with that. Here, Mercury, it is in 11th house itself that has given you. And another thing, what I see is the hot period, less income. The less income, what I see is second house. I already said the third and the eighth lord is in second house. That is one strong reason. Venus, it is in debilitation. We can't say that the debilitation is cancelled because Mercury is in the house. That's all. And another thing, either the Lagna Lord or Venus, they are not in the moon Kendra house. If they are in Chandra Kendra, then we can say that the debilitation is cancelled. So that is also one reason. Knowledge is because of that high degree, Mercury in the 11th house. That is also there. Less income is because what I say is Venus is in the 12th house. Its own house, 12th house. It is in Lagna, but it is in the 12th house of Dhanasthana. That too, it is in retro. And the Rahu Venus in trine. This gives a huge problem. See, it will induce any interest on something that will make you to invest any bulk money or anything that will make you to lose also. Whenever you invest any bulk money or anything like that, you tend to lose that because Rahu with Venus are in trine. Even this would have happened even in this period also because the transit Rahu is in Rishabha itself. That would have caused you any loss or anything, or that would have, this transit Rahu has given you a strong intention of earning more money because Rahu Venus that will induce the interest. The same question you would not have asked about 5 years or 6 years back and all. This is the period that it has given you this question because transit Rahu is also there. That is one reason. And you said the first marriage, that is in Mars Dasa Venus Bhakti. I call this as infatuation. Purely because of infatuation that has happened. And the Mars Venus, they are also connected with the degree wise, as Salvagnesha said. Second marriage in Jupiter Dasa, Jupiter Bhakti. That is the 7th lord. That is from October 2003. You said you got married by 2003 December. October 2003, Jupiter Dasa started, Jupiter Bhakti was there. They would have given this marriage. This will be comfortable, is it? Second marriage. You haven't mentioned anything about second marriage. Yeah. Because there is, see, any event happens in Jupiter, that will be ethical. But the Mars Venus, I can't say that that's a strong marriage or anything. How you got married in that time?
Sorry, please repeat again.
Your first marriage, you said you got your first marriage during What is it? At the age of 18 or something.
Yeah, at the age of 18.
Yeah. That was arranged marriage.
Sorry, voice is not clear.
No, that marriage was arranged one. Arranged marriage.
That was arranged marriage.
No.
Was it a relation, sir? Relation marriage?
That was arranged marriage. This was second one is also arranged marriage.
No, is there any relation with the first one? Like mama
How?
ka beti? नहीं अभी नहीं पूरा नहीं.
Yeah, that was in between the relations.
हाँ, correct.
See, I clearly see this as infatuation because Mars and Venus are in the same degree. That Dasa Bhukti only it has happened, and simultaneously that also came to end. Okay, this is all my analysis. Now, what you really want to know? You haven't asked anything.
The first marriage is happening in Mars Dasha, Mars sitting in Rahu's nakshatra and going and touching Ketu.
Yeah, that is also one. Yes, sir.
It's eighth lord. So if he had married that same person twice,
It is mentioned as 6.23 Mars. Yeah, 6.23 means
it is in own nakshatra, is it?
Yeah.
Mars in
Yes,
own
yes.
nakshatra.
Yes.
Yeah, Mars in own nakshatra, still Ashtamadhipati nakshatra. And going and touching the Ketu. Mars in own nakshatra, going and touching Ketu.
own nakshatra. Yes.
Mars
Yes.
own nakshatra, Buddha own nakshatra, going and touching Ketu. That's a point to see. Broken marriages, one separately I'm writing. So Ashtamadhipati is giving any marriage or something. We have to, if we can make it Punarvivaha 2 times, it's better.
Here it has automatically happened. Punarvivaha has happened with some other reason.
Yes. And
That is probably not Punarvivaha, second marriage, right?
yeah, as a Pariharam, I make it Punarvivaha. And generally, Kritika Nakshatra, we have to be very careful. I do Nakshatra, Karagat was also research. Kritika Nakshatra will cut something to give energy in something else. It's like atom explosion. It is like atom explosion where something splits into 2 and creates an energy. Kritika Nakshatra is that kind of powerful Agni Nakshatra. It makes problem in relationships and gives strength in somewhere else. Exactly like atom, nuclear power kind of a thing. Nakshatra it is. There, moon going and sitting, need to be careful along with Rahu again. But it is in the 9th house. That's why I said something if it touches in foreign related, at least in astrological field only, at least touch the foreign clients, start teaching the Westerners. It will do very well for him.
So suitable
Yeah, right.
period is astrology.
Now I said that an example, sir, because I was not knowing your main business. Anyway, you can have a foreign trade. You can get a foreign trade connected. Lagnadipati also sitting in the 11th house. That's also showing foreign thing. And Buddha. So there are so many planets showing any foreign connection will definitely give you.
Astrology can take, but the only problem is Mars in 2nd house. See, whenever normally, even if you talk in a polite way, that will be construed in a harsh manner only. So when you deal with the clients and all, they should not consider that you are talking in irritating mode. Or
But he can teach, no, sir.
Yeah, 10th house, Jupiter is there.
Whenever he teaches, no,
Yeah,
he
definitely.
will be framing the rules. Pakka.
Yes.
His process will
That
be
will
pakka.
happen. You can become a teacher. See, occult science teacher you can become. You can teach occult science. That is possible. And one more thing I need to add, during Rahu Dasa Chandra Bhukti, that is before your marriage, you had any severe stomach related problem? Second marriage, before your second marriage.
Yeah, that was there.
It was there.
Yeah.
Very severe stomach related problem.
Yes. Yes.
You'd have gone to the doctor, you'd have taken all the tests, scan, this, that, and all. Finally, you'd have said nothing is there, no problem, you are all right. But still, you would have felt the strong pain in stomach. Right?
Right.
Hello?
It's repeated several times.
Yeah. That 18 months.
Hmm.
Rahu Dasa, Moon Bhukti. That is nothing but IBS.
Okay.
That will not be controlled by any stomach related medicine, any antispasmodic or anything like that. That will not quench the pain. Only one thing, IBS. It is any psychiatric related medicine only suppress this. It is called irritable bowel syndrome because Rahu is traveling towards your moon.
Okay.
In that period, many things should have happened. You always feel like some mystical effects around you. It is that.
Yeah, it was there. Not
Hello?
now. Yeah, it was there.
Yeah, it was there. Yeah.
Yeah.
During Rahu Dasa, all these things should have felt
Rahu-
skin related.
Rahu placed in moon's nakshatra and going towards moon also. So double
Yes.
Rahu Chandra, Rahu Chandra.
Yes.
In planetary combinations, in analyzing a chart, planetary combination, how we write is the planet plus in which nakshatra it is. That one combination. Then next in Nadi, I'm telling. Next that planet going and touching which planet? If you progress the chart forward. So like that we can write for all the Chandra is sitting in Surya and Chandra going and touching Rahu. Like that, if you take Rahu sitting in Chandra's nakshatra and Rahu going and touching Chandra also. So definitely Rahu's Karagatvas, if you take over, it's much better. The mental stress and problem what it is giving, that can be avoided. If you touch that, it's Karagatva.
And
Sir,
here it can be seen in one positive thing it can be seen here. Rahu heading towards the moon. GK sir says it is the Mahashakti Yoga. That it is clearly mentioned in the book itself. It is the Mahashakti Yoga. Whatever you aspire, you will have the adamancy in achieving it. Definitely that will help. Any Rahu related parigara, definitely that will give you a good result. It will give you dosha. Once you surrender to them, that will give you all the good benefits. Even at this present state, the transit Rahu is there. If you do any Rahu related parigara, definitely you will be benefited.
Like
Any god
Chandi
without a
Homa.
human head.
Sir, what about Chandi Homam, sir?
Normally, I don't recommend Homam, Vyaham and all. I recommend only temple parigaram, simple temple parigaram. Here, Rahu is heading towards the moon. So, female god without a human head, like Varahi, those gods you can, and it is in Surya's nakshatra. So, any Surya related female deity without the human head, that will definitely yield. Like Varahi you can do. Okay.
okay.
Or even like Kali Durga, that are in wild pose. The god should be in a terror manner.
Prityangara Devi.
Hello?
Prityangara Devi.
Prityangara Devi, definitely that. Prityangara worship we can do. Even in this, because transit Rahu is there, the same stomach related problem what you had earlier, in this period also, you must have had, but you say don't have. If it is not there, don't worry about it.
Today
Because
also we
transit
have
Rahu
Moon
is
and
there
Rahu in the
exactly.
same. Today also we have Moon and Rahu in the same.
Yeah. Oh, exactly. It matches. It
Yeah.
clearly indicates the Parigaram also.
Yes.
This worship will definitely help you.
I will
And
bring a
one
light
more
on.
thing I tell you, Saturn Dasa is going on. Saturn is away from Rahu Ketu axis. Here one blessing in discussion. Saturn is in retro. Had it not been retro, it would have been affected so much. Since it is in retro, you can expect a lot. Initially, that will give you some problem. After that, definitely that will give you all good results. This is what we discussed yesterday. And another thing, now transit Jupiter is touching, it is going towards your natal Saturn only. Next, transit Saturn will also be traveling on that. Definitely, you can expect a change in your profession. One, you can expect very high position in your profession. Next one, definitely you will be benefited out of this. And in your natal chart also, Jupiter is aspecting your Saturn. Transit Jupiter, when it enters into Saturn's house, where Saturn is there, in Kumbha. The transit Jupiter will activate both natal Saturn as well as your natal Jupiter. Natal Jupiter, fifth aspect. Transit Jupiter will aspect your natal Jupiter by fifth aspect. Both will be activated. Your professional side, definitely you will be fine from today onwards. I don't know how it happened. Today is the Jupiter transit from Makaram to Kumbha.
Okay,
So
today is,
today on, yeah, today Jupiter is transiting to Kumbha.
so it's good.
Definitely it will be good.
Okay,
You will be benefited.
okay.
See, three planets are in lowest degree: Moon, Jupiter, and Sun. All these planets, Karakatva, would have given you much craving. You would have craved for those things. That is fatherly affection or motherly affection. These things and all you would have craved for. And Sun is in the Sun is aspected by Saturn also. Sun is in the 12th house. Jupiter and Saturn, they both are in same degree. All these things we have already discussed several times. When Jupiter and Moon in close degree, either single parent or affection on only one parent. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Hello, yes, sir. Hello. Am
He's
I audible?
He is expecting a reply from you.
Yes, sir. Hello.
You get my point?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Hello?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Okay. Any other point to be added in this?
My daughter's education is now, it's very undecisive format.
Hmm.
She's not able to decide where she should go. 12th exam is just over.
That chart we have not discussed today, but as per your chart,
Better to discuss our chart only.
Okay.
Better to discuss the direct person chart.
Right. Okay.
Sir, what is your profession, sir?
Now I have business in IT, which is now completely closed. Closed means it's not closed, but now it's not in operation. And I am in Vastu as well as Marma Yoga.
hello.
Go to foreign clients, sir. There is an app called fever,
Okay.
FIVERR.
FIVERR.
FIVE 5 followed by double R.
Okay.
There is an app there you can register yourself and you can teach all these things to foreigners. You will do very well.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, my internet is very low. Frequently it is coming unstable internet connection.
It is very clear, sir.
Okay. The present period is good, sir. That we can say strongly because
Sir, deal with medicinal herbal products.
Medicinal herbal product. Okay.
That will do very well for you because 6th house Shani. See,
Hmm.
planets will see that whether you are dealing with the disease. That's all. If you deal with the disease as a doctor, we will not become a patient. That's what I again and again repeatedly tell this. Planets
Right,
worried
sir.
about the Karakattvas. Planets are not worried this thing. So if we deal with the diseases to cure others, then we will not become a patient.
Okay.
Because this is a peculiar chart where I am observing
You are
Surya.
right. I'm sorry. I'm disturbing in between.
Yeah.
Actually, by naturopathy, or you can say that when I was suffering with asthma and stomach problems, I have studied and even I am able to cure any critical diseases or all the critical diseases where we can name as in dialysis, we can name as in kidney failure, we can name as in even up to some level, I can name the initial cancer stages.
Very good.
That is what the Mahashakti Yoga. See, your Rahu is heading towards Jupiter, moon. That has given you the IBS, mind-related, some stomach-related disturbance. In order to cure that, you started studying that, and you are doing that as your profession. That is what Mahashakti Yoga. Even last time also, GK sir said the same thing. That is Jallianwala Bagh happened. On that same day, it was Mahashakti Yoga, and the astrologer predicted. He also, this is what GK sir told me. Astrologers, they predicted, and they strictly asked the Gandhi, Nehru, and all other leading leaders not to go there. Only the local leader attended there. That brought the independence. Okay, this Mahashakti Yoga. There was a problem. That problem led to the success. You had a problem. That problem started giving money to you, or any knowledge money to you. It is what that period only you started studying this occult science.
Yeah, but I'm not able to commercialize it. I don't know how to commercialize it, how I can earn money. Practically,
Now
I'm
that
not.
will happen. Now that will happen.
Okay.
Since transit Jupiter is coming your natal Saturn, automatically that will happen. And I said one point at the time of stopping your school education, you said that it happened in 1980 or something. In that period, you stopped because of going for any job or for earning purpose or anything.
Actually, my father told me to join as in service, to do the service. But I was not actually interested to do the service. Rather than I was interested in start my own business.
No, what I'm asking is,
yes, please continue.
No, your education was stopped.
Yeah.
Right?
Basically, I stopped.
That is because of your earning in that childhood itself. or because of any other reason?
No, there was no other reason.
You started earning in that period.
Yeah.
At least some money. I don't
And
say in
from,
bulk amount.
and from
At
that
least some money.
period, I am doing business or I am earning money.
Okay. Yeah. Because what I am saying is,
I'm on my own.
yeah, that is Mars and Jupiter. Jupiter is aspecting Saturn. That period, see, all these together that has spoiled your education or stopped your education. I don't say it has spoiled because Mercury is in highest degree. So you gain knowledge in some other way. It is in highest degree. It is in the 11th house. So you have the mastery skills. Okay. Another thing you need to know.
Is it the same thing when when Ketu moves towards moon? The same yoga
Yeah,
you
definitely.
call it?
Yes, Mahashakti Yoga, that is for both. Ketu as well as
Okay.
Rahu.
Okay.
Both. That will disturb to some extent. When we face the disturbance, that will become yoga. This is what even last time GK sir, he told me, and he told me to explain all these things. Particularly, he quote me few chart details also, and even Indira Gandhi chart also. That time that happened. Here it is very clear. Okay.
I was
Another
a
thing
student
you
of
need to know.
GK also.
What?
I was also the student of GK sir for medical
Okay.
astrology, medical astrology, but somehow
Okay.
it was not completed
Okay.
in Art of Living Ashram.
The Lord is in sixth house. Any education, whatever it is, it will be incomplete. In this mastery skill also, you said in occult science or something, you not have completed fully.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
Selva Ganesh was going to say something about the speciality of this chart. I think he said it is a
Yeah.
Yes.
special
Yes,
nature.
yes,
Yeah.
Chandra, Guru, Surya, and Mars forming a group. Say Chandra,
Yes.
Guru, Surya forming a group. Degree system.
Even moon. Yeah, Chandra. Yeah, Chandra, Guru,
Yeah,
Surya.
that's
Chandra,
Yeah.
Guru, Surya, one group. Kuja and Shukra are one group. And
Yes.
what left, if you see, Rahu Ketu, obviously,
And
they are there.
Mercury.
And
Mercury and Saturn.
Mercury becomes HD, and Shani
Yeah.
becomes the sixth lord. See, now what I told these groups, look at in medical astrology language. Planets which are there in the same closest degrees in their Dasha Bhukti, they are supposed to give disease. Planet which is there HD is supposed to give disease.
Yes.
Planet connected to Rahu Ketu is supposed to give disease. Planet which is the owner of the sixth house supposed to give disease. Now all the planets come under these categories. Now.
Yes. Yes.
So if we touch anything supposed connected to medicinal thing, then you will come
he
out
will
of
be
it.
free from disease.
Oh, that's why your statement. Deal with medicines and you will not be a patient.
Yes. Yes.
He will be free from disease.
And it will give him good success also. 9th house Rahu, 9th house Ketu gives a very good intuitional power. You will be a very good teacher and you will be a very good healer, sir. Definitely go ahead in that direction. Have the kick of that. Have enjoy that instead of looking for anything else. Your happiness is there in that. And one more thing,
Yoga is formed in the 9th house.
one more thing I observed went to the Navamsha. Navamsha, you see, the D1 Lagna and Navamsha Lagna are in 1-8 combination. That's why marriage problem happened there also. Varga Chakra also shows that. Navamsha Lagna is Mesha. And it got a Nicha Shani there in the Lagna itself. seventh lord getting to the 12th house exalted in Navamsha. So we can go on discussing various methods. But degree wise, degree system wise, degree system, GKSA's degree system and medical astrology wise, this chart is very unique. Many charts come like that. They form groups. All the planets will be only in 2 groups sometimes. This is another style. Whichever planet is left, that is also becoming a Rogadhipati.
Yes.
Whichever planet
Yes.
is left, that becomes a HD planet. Whichever planet is left, that becomes Rahu Ketu. So touch medicinal profession, you'll do well.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Job side will be comfortable. If that is your question, that has been replied.
Good decision that you went for business, not employment. You would have not shined well in employment. Your 6th house is scoring only 26 points in Varga Chakra. Your 10th house is showing, so which are all your stronger houses. 3rd house 32 and 9th house 31. So teaching, occult science will. 10th house profession 31. It's scoring in Ashtavarga. And the 11th house is scoring 34. So you will definitely make
More
than
money
the-
there, yeah.
And your 12th house is 21. So
Okay.
So there will be a plus always in the situation. In a limited way, there will be a plus always. And the good time is starting, I'll tell you. Binashtavarga of Shani in Makara Rashi is 0. Okay. But in Kumbha Rashi, it is 5. Good number. And Binashtavarga of Guru, 5 in Meena Rashi. So after April, these 2 planets going to their own houses in a good number, highest number in the Binashtavarga Rashi, they both are going to give you professional success.
Good.
Sir, have you ever tried the hotel business, sir?
No, never.
Or a street business, any street business?
Which business?
Street kind of a business, anything like dosa making or something?
No, sir.
Sir, his second house is very
poor
sir,
in cooking.
his second house is 27 and 6th house is 26. Planets would have not allowed him to get into food business.
Yes, Saturn expecting Ketu, that street business is what generally they go for. 10th aspect on Ketu.
I think he should immediately touch herbal products. Shani going and touching Ketu, herbal products he should touch. Health oriented herbal products, it will do very well. Flower medicine, all these things will work very well. Because he is the 5th lord of feelings and mind, and becoming the 6th lord also. The flower medicines are there, feelings oriented curing and other things. Those products you can deal and send it to abroad. First of all, you can teach them, then you can also send them those medicines. You will do very well. Earn good name also.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very
Thank you.
much for your valuable advices. I believe I will be benefited out of your all expertise and good advice.
Okay. Okay, we can call it a day.
Thank
Yes,
you, Ashokanji. Ashokanji, thank you
Thank you.
very much.
So recording stop panla.
Yeah, we can stop sharing the screen.